Hey, oh, excuse me. Hey, Creative Stampers. Kristina Reese here. Hope you're enjoying this beautiful sunny afternoon here in Texas. I know we're getting up to 70 degrees this afternoon, so we may want to be outside today. Really excited about that. But before you go out and play, I wanted to share with you one of the free picks that's available in our Celebration catalog. So I'm going to flip the camera down so you all can see what I'm talking about. All right, if you're not familiar, Stampin' Up, this is our mini catalog for the spring. Stampin' Up has a huge event going on right now from January to March. It's called Celebration. And how it works is this little catalog has items you can pick for free with a qualifying order. So, excuse me, this lovely lily pad stamp set, you can pick free if you spend $50. And the framelits that go with it, if you spend another $100, so $150 would get you both the framelits and the stamp set. Well, I want to feature a card kit that's available. And card kits are so great, especially for those of us who really do try to always have some thinking of you cards, birthday cards, sympathy cards, those kind of cards on hand, because we'll be on Facebook and we'll see that a friend of ours is having surgery, or a friend of ours' mother passes away, or, you know, any of those kind of things. We always see those on Facebook. And if you see it, you want to be able to do more than just reply on Facebook. Do something much more personal. And sending a handmade card with a handwritten note inside is one of the most special things you can do for your family and friends. It is one of the best ways to really show people how much you care about them. Anyway, so let me get to it. Put this to the side and bring in the card kit. So when you get the card kit, this is the cover. This card kit comes with 4 of the turquoise and 4 of the red. And it's called kerchief because they look like handkerchiefs or bandanas or whatever. But one of the cards has thinking of you and the other one is celebrate today. So birthday and thinking of you. When you open the kit, you will get 8 envelopes, and these envelopes are really nice because they have this printed paper inside. The red ones for the red handkerchiefs and the blue ones for the blue kerchiefs, or you could go the other way, I guess. Anyway, so you get, and they're good sturdy envelopes. And then of course you get your card bases, and here are the red bases, and on the inside it's white, and they're good thick cardstock. And so you get 4 of each of those. Then you get some glue dots and dimensionals. And this kit also comes with this twine, just linen twine thread. So you have everything you need. Of course, if you want to bring in your own tape runner to make things go a little faster, that's always nice too. But it comes with the adhesive. It has clear vellum and polka dot vellum. It has laser cut dies, 4 roses, 4 blue ovals, and 8 leaves. It also has gold foil pre-cut, laser cut, so you just punch it out, and then you use the glue dots or your tape runner, whatever you choose, to stick those on. And this card kit is unique because there's no stamping involved. They're already printed for you. They come in German and English and French. So French, German, and English. And you get enough for all the cards. So 4 thinking of yous and 4 celebrate today in English or French or German. So that's really neat. And let's see what else, and that's it. So we have everything we have here to make a card. And I want to quickly make one with you. I'm going to make a thinking of you card. So I'm going to take the red base. Let me move all this out of the way real quick. And Oh, also the instructions are right here also. And it's a pretty simple instruction, so I'm going to lift this up to you, and you have these numbers here, and then you open it to read what the numbers tell you to do. So it's pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. Yeah, that's right. All right, so let's take our red one here, and it is a horizontal card, so I want to place it this way. Then they tell us to put down a clear piece of vellum, and now vellum, you're going to see adhesive behind vellum. So you want to strategically place your vellum where you won't see it, where you're going to layer other things on top. So, and I'm just going to go ahead and use the dots that it comes with. So, and I use a pick tool here. Makes it for picking these dots up really nice. And I'm just going to put 4 of them on here. Now, there are so many wonderful items in our celebration catalog. Also, we're having a second release. We have some more free products. So if you've already bought all the things you want and have gotten everything out of the first celebration catalog, well, on Wednesday, I forget. There is a second release. So it's March the 3rd, and I think that's Tuesday. There is a second release with more free items. And that's really exciting. So you want to be watching for that. All right, you want to put that on there as centered as can. All right, so see, you can see the 4 little adhesive dots there, but that's okay because I'm going to put stuff on top of it. So it has 4 of these leaves and flowers here. So I'm just going to pop these out. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then it also has 2 of the flowers. So here's 1. Whoops. And here's 2. Oof. And there we go. All right, so let's put these on here. And let me move them over to the side. And I am going to put glue dots on the back of the bottom leaves, and that's plenty to hold it down. And it also allows the leaves to kind of move, you know, if they're not all glued down. And we're just going to put that where it comes up, but it doesn't go past the card. You don't want to go past the fold, so it still goes in the envelope. All right, so we got that one. Let me do another one. And there we go. And take off those little covers. Oops. Now, another thing I was noticing is if you didn't want these sentiments, you could turn the tags over and stamp whatever you really want to on there. And I'm going to put that a little down like that. All right, that goes there. And then our flower. Now the flower, let's see, yeah, the leaf is large enough. The little dot can fit on that leaf. And then we'll put another one over on this flower. There we go. Oops. Yeah, trying to get the little backings off of there is kind of tricky. And then it looks like they just stuck it right there. Okay, that looks good. And then we still need to have some coming down this side. And there we go. Like I said, card kits just make, when you need a whole bunch of cards really quick, card kits are so nice. And especially, I have a card ministry at my church, and I use card kits all the time. It helps to make, as we send out quite a few cards every week, and just having a kit to create a whole bunch of cards at once is really nice. And then, of course, you can, all of our kits, if you go onto Pinterest or just Google alternatives, you will just be amazed at some of the creativity that's out there. And they take these kits and turn them into totally different than what the original card looked like. Now, of course, they use other products to change up the cards, but it is just phenomenal. So if you go to Pinterest and just type in kerchief card kit alternative, you will find some really beautiful ideas. All right, and we're just going to put that one there. Okay, so now we have our flowers, our leaves all in there. It also has a bow coming out, so with the thinking of you. Now, to tell you the truth, I think I'm going to switch this up. The instructions say to put the bow under the tag. Okay, so we're going to put the tag right there. But I'm thinking the bow might look cute on the tag. I don't know. I think what they're doing is trying to make it look like the foliage underneath has been tied together with the twine. All right, so that gives you plenty of twine. Yeah, that's really nice. I'm just going to go ahead, and this is how I make bows. I just take 2 loops like that, and then I just twist them tied together, and then hold the knot in the middle as I make the loops a little smaller, pull it a little tighter, and just keep working it until it gets to where I like it. Then I take my scissors, and you will need your own snips. They do not provide you with snips, and I can't find mine right now. Oh, there they are. Okay. There we go. And so I can either put that right there, like they have it, or I could put it up on the thinking of you, which I kind of like also. All right, and we also need the dimensionals because we want that to stick up over all of that. So, and I love dimensionals. I just fill up the back of my items with dimensionals. There we go. Okay. Whoops. So, celebration lasts until the end of March. So we have 1 month left. And like I said, for every $50, $100 each one, you get to pick out of the celebration catalog. So that's, I mean, it's just the biggest event of the year. We also have other things going on besides just the sale part. It's also a great time if you've ever thought well, first of all, if you just would want a discount, but if you've ever thought of having your own crafting business like I have, or you've wanted to do a YouTube channel like I do, signing up to be a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator right now is awesome because they've got the extra special bonus going on. When you, only for $99, the original demonstrator sign up is a good deal anyways, $99, and you get to choose 125 of your own choosing product, and that's free shipping. And they throw in a paper pumpkin and all the business material. Right now, they have that, but they've put some more on there. They've also included with that this paper pack, which is a sample of all the papers that are in the mini catalog, and this cute little trimmer. It's a 4x6 trimmer, and pull this down, a 6x6 piece of paper will fit in there, so you can trim it to 4x6 or 4x5.5, which is the 4x5.25 is the common dimension of layers for cards. Cards are 4.25 by 5.5, so if you trim down a 1/4 inch off each side and you lay it on top for a layer, that that's what this is for. And just, you don't have to get the big trimmer out to work on it. All right, we are finished with this card. Look how precious that is. Let me get it up here so you can see it. Yeah. Oh, my camera's on delay. There we go. And there we go. Oh, it's on delay. There we go. Okay. I think you get the idea. All right. Thanks so much for watching. I know that there was a little bit of pausing in there while I was actually creating the card, but you do not want to pass up card kits. They're awesome. And this is 8 free cards when you spend $50, and it comes with everything. Everything's already cut out for you. They've even stamped it for you. Or you could turn the tag over and put your own sentiment on there also. Or add more product to it and make it your own card. It's a lot of fun. I hope you all enjoyed this presentation, this feature of one of our celebration items, and that you will check out my shop to look at more of the items that are there, or if you would like me to send you a catalog so you can have it in your hands and flip through the pages, just give me a message and I will get your address from you and send you a catalog. And with that, I would like to say goodbye, and we will see you next week. Okay, bye-bye.